We have two sites in Brussels with 715 beds. The same problem that in Antwerp. We have problem with the mobility. What we do? Answer to our interest in innovation and new technologies. Propose an alternative mobility for urban areas, improve the quality of care, deliver vital products quickly, pool stocks in a single place, and meet the challenge of hospital networks. That is a big challenge for us. Here I will go very quickly. Because I'm not so good for my English. You see all the team from Europe Hospital, they are working from this project, and we are very fair to can do it with Alicus. So thank you for your attention.